Many newer Android models aren't fully supported by Tenorshare 4uKey, especially for screen locks, FERP, or advanced OEM locks. So users often look for a stronger, more compatible alternative. In this video, I'll show you the best option. Top 1. Best Tenorshare 4uKey for Android Alternative Android Lock Wiper. Android Lock Wiper guides users step by step to remove locks and stays updated. For new Android versions, a simple, powerful alternative to Tenorshare 4uKey for PIN, pattern, or password bypass. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing Android Lock Wiper on your PC. If you own a Samsung device, select Remove Without Data Loss and follow the on-screen instructions to continue. For devices from other brands, opt for Remove Screen Lock and click Start. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device's information. Verify that the display details are correct. If there are any discrepancies, you can manually adjust the information before proceeding by clicking Start to unlock. Step 3. The application will download and transfer the necessary data package to your device. After this, please follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. The unlocking process will begin. It is crucial to keep your phone connected throughout this process. Top 2. DroidKit, offering a broader device rescue toolkit alongside unlocking features. A single suite approach helps when problems extend beyond just screen locks. DroidKit combines data recovery, system repair, and bypass options, so users can switch between functions without leaving the app. Top 3. PassFab Android Unlocker. Focused on no-frills unlocking, Clean UI emphasizes direct removal of common lock types with minimal menus. PassFab Android Unlocker presents stepwise choices tailored to pattern, PIN, password, and some FERP cases, helping users quickly reach the action they need. Top 4. iToolab UnlockGo Android. Centered on compatibility and frequent updates, a developer that prioritizes new model support can close gaps other unlockers miss. iToolab UnlockGo Android often highlights broad device coverage and detailed guides for various lock states. Top 5. MultiUnlock Tool. Targeting deeper level OEM and carrier restrictions, specialized utilities sometimes use advanced procedures that general unlockers won't attempt. MultiUnlock Tool aims to handle less common locks and network-related barriers through a more technical feature set that experience. Top 6. Universal Simlock Remover. Specialists that focus strictly on network freedom are useful when SIM-based restrictions remain after other unlock steps. Universal Simlock Remover concentrates on carrier locks and unlocking AMA-level restrictions to restore full network access.